Hi, second grade. Welcome to reading class. Today you have a test, and it's the very last test of the year. So we have a few things to look over before you start on your test. Let's review the Bible verses here on the board first of all. The first one says, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." Acts 20:35. Next we have, "Submitting yourselves one to another in the fear of God," Ephesians 5:21. And then we have, "He shall call upon me and I will answer him," Psalm 91:15. Here we have some singular words, and we're going to change them to plural. And whenever you change words to plural, then sometimes you have to change some letters around. So we have life, and we want to make it say more than one life. So it would be lives, and we would change the F to V, and it would be written like this. And then we have half, and we will need to change the F again to V, and it will say halves. Next we have thief. Again, we change the F to V and add ES, so it will be thieves. Okay, so let's think now a little bit about your directions for your getting ready for your test. You're pretty familiar with this because you've done it before, but open up your light units to page 42, and I'm going to go over some of them with you. So you can open up your books to page 42 in your light units. And the top there, it says, read lists A and B or lists C and D to your teacher. If you'd be with me, then you could read them to me, but since you're not with me, you can decide between either A and B or C and D and read one list to your mom or older sibling or whoever is helping you. And then you can use this checklist to review for the test. You will review all the We Remember sections and review the self-check and be able to say the Bible memory verses that we did on the board here. Okay, so that should be pretty easy. Just be careful then when you go and work on your test. Read your story carefully and understand what you're reading. Go back and if you don't know what an answer is, you can always go back in the story and look for it in the story. There is some study words that I should probably go over with you yet. So the first one is attack, which attack means to start a fight. Attempt means a try. Concussion is an injury to the brain. Emergency means a serious happening that needs help right away. Frequently means happening often. Nervous means feeling uneasy, being anxious. Orphan means a child whose parents have both died. Orphanage means a home for orphans. And quarreling means arguing or disagreeing. So it's opposite of agreeing. If you quarrel, you are arguing or disagreeing. Okay, so you may now go ahead and work at studying for your test. And just be really careful when you do it and try to get 100%. Okay, have a good afternoon.